Crushers picking up some greens. Their teammate Techno Turtles also trying to get some green cubes up into their collection. All red cubes have been pushed off of those posts. That's going to give teams a 15-point bonus. Code Crushers, greens on top of the robot. They're going to try to drop them in this goal. 35 seconds left. You can now switch drivers. We have Techno Turtles trying to line up and score some as well. 25 seconds, you must now switch drivers. To get to the last 20 seconds, each team is trying to pick up some more cubes. With 10 seconds left, we'll see if any of these teams can manage to pull off the park. And it looks like Techno Turtles are up. With 5 seconds left, can the Code Crushers line up and make it? Alright, qualification match 33. We have 75785B, the Screaming Monkeys, and